Hey guys, I'm Dori with the blog Dori Turner Interiors, and today I want to share with you how to wash a ruggable rug. But before I get into how to wash a rug, if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. All the links I mentioned in this video can be found below in the description box. Also, I want to give you my awesome free ebook featuring 10 DIY projects you can easily create for your home. Get a copy by clicking the link below. So Ruggable has been tagged as the best washable rug on the market. They were one of the first companies to fulfill the need of families with kids and/or pets being able to easily wash their rug at home. In this video, you can check out my review on tumble rugs versus ruggable rugs, where I go into more details about the features and benefits of a ruggable rug. But today, I'm going to show you how to wash your ruggable rug. If your ruggable gets soiled, you may need to apply a pre-treatment before throwing it into the washer. You have a few options according to their website, and I've also linked this below. Your first option is to use a laundry stain remover spray like OxiClean. Just spray it on the soiled spot and then toss it in your washer. Your second option is to use a carpet spot cleaner. You can apply the spot cleaner and wait 10 minutes before throwing the rug into your washing machine. Your third option is a powder stain remover, and I don't usually use a powder stain, but you can use this option. You can mix it with room temperature water and allow it to sit overnight before washing your rug. And your fourth option for pre-treating your ruggable is to use laundry detergent. Just mix 1 to 2 teaspoons with cool water and gently work it into the stain. Allow it to sit for an hour or so before you wash it in your washing machine. So now that we've covered pre-treating your rug, let's talk about washing it. First, you're going to remove your rug from the rug pad. The pads are not washable. They are spot treat only, so you do not want to put them through the washing machine with your rug. Ruggable recommends using a liquid detergent on their classic rugs. Put your rug in the washing machine, design side out, and wash on the delicate cycle in cold water with a mild detergent. If your rug doesn't come clean the first time, Ruggable recommends putting it through the wash cycle again. If you need to neutralize pet odors, you can add a cup of vinegar to your detergent when you wash your rug. Once your rug has gone through the washing process, you can dry your rug on a low heat in the dryer if it's the classic rug, or you can hang dry both your classic and your plush ruggable rugs. Washing your ruggable rug is as easy as that. Did you know you can also purchase a washable rug on Amazon? I've linked some options in the description below. And if you'd like to hear more about washable rug options, be sure to check out the next video review on my tumble, spill-proof, and washable rugs. I'll see you over there.